Hello and Assalamu alaikum students. I am your social studies teacher Ms. Sayyida Rakshanda Zehra. Today we are going to start a new geography chapter, that is weather and climate. So let's start. What is weather? Weather is the state of atmosphere for any day, including the temperature, winds, clouds and rainfall. Weather can change day by day, hours by hours, minute by minutes and moment by moment. Weather can be sunny, rainy, stormy, cloudy, etc. Now let's have a look on the examples of weather. Weather can be rainy. See, weather can be cloudy. It can be stormy. It can also be windy. It can be sunny. And it can be snowy. Now see, what is climate? Climate is the average weather condition of a particular area for a long time, typically averaged over a period of 30 years. Yes, the weather conditions prevailing in an area in general or over a long period. The climate of a place can be hot, moderate, or cold. See students, as you have learned in the previous chapter that due to the shape of the earth, different parts of the earth receives different amount of sunlight. So the earth has been divided into three main climatic regions due to the amount of sunlight reaches on these three different zones. See, the first zone, that is the tropical zone. This is the bulging region of the earth or the middle part of the earth. So it receives direct sunlight and it receives sunlight for the longer period of the time. So this region is near the equator and this is called the tropical zone. If we move towards the poles, so then comes the temperate or the subtropical zone, and towards the polar regions, towards the pole, so there is a polar zone. See, there's another map for you for your better understanding. You can see near the equator, you can see the equator 0 degree here. All these with the green, all the areas with the green color shows you the tropical zone. Yellow with the temperate zone. And the pink color shows you the polar zones of the world. Climatic regions of the world. As you can see here on the map also, these are the polar regions of the world, and see the picture here, how do they look like. Polar climates are very cold and dry throughout the year. See another region, that is the temperate zone. The part of the Earth's surface lying between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the Northern Hemisphere. Yes, when we talk about the Northern Hemisphere, so the part that lies between the Arctic Circle and the Tropic of Cancer is called the temperate zone. And if we talk about the Southern Hemisphere, so definitely the part that lies between the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle is called the temperate zone. Okay. And this is having a climate that is warm in the summer, cold in the winter, and moderate in the spring and fall. See another region, that is tropical region near the equator that we have seen in the picture. An area with tropical climate is one with an average temperature of above 18 degrees Celsius. Areas nearby the equator enjoy this type of climate. As you can see here near the equator, we can see the tropical regions of the world. See arid zones. What are arid zones? These are the lands having little or no rain, too dry or barren to support vegetation. Yes, so the deserted areas or the deserts, we can say, are the arid zones of the world. Now students, you have learned about weather also, and you have learned about climates also. It's the time to differentiate between these two. So what is weather? Let's recall again. Weather describes what is happening outdoors when you look out the window. And it is the atmospheric condition that happens from minute to minute, hours to hour, okay, moment to moment. The weather can change a lot within a very short time. For example, it may rain for an hour and then become sunny and clear. Yes. So weather can change moment to moment. Climate. It is the average condition of the weather in a place over a longer period and usually 30 years. It is the long-term state of weather in one specific place. See again another slide showing difference between weather and climate. Weather can change within a few minutes or hours, and climate takes very long time to change. Okay, here is a task for you that you are going to do in your copies. First of all, question number 1 is you are going to define weather and climate. Second, you are going to name the weather or the weathers we are enjoying nowadays. You are going to write two differences between weather and climate, and at the end you are going to explain different climatic regions of the world. So thank you students. Inshallah we'll be meeting up again with another topic of this chapter. So till then, Allah Hafiz.